Hello, everyone, and welcome to Start Speak English.
Hi, we are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Anna, and this is my co-host, Mike.
On this podcast, we help you practice your English every day.
We talk like two friends, and you learn English at the same time.
Today's episode is about 10 minutes long, perfect for a short break.
Hello, I'm learning English. Mike, what time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 7 o'clock. It was a little early.
I always wake up at 6. I like quiet mornings.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I drink a glass of water. Then I make coffee.
Good idea. I always eat breakfast before I start work.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had eggs and toast. It was simple but delicious.
After breakfast, I get dressed and check my phone.
Me too. I always check the weather before I go outside.
That's a great habit. The weather can change quickly.
Anna, how are you feeling today?
I feel great. Thanks for asking. And you?
I'm doing well. A little tired, but happy to be here.
Did you have a good week?
Yes, it was busy but interesting. I learned a few new things.
That's wonderful. Learning something new every day is so important.
What is your favorite day of the week, Anna?
I love Fridays. The weekend is coming and everyone feels happy.
I like Sundays. I relax, read, and spend time with my family.
Let's talk about work. Do you work from home or in an office?
I work from home 3 days a week. I like it very much.
Working from home saves time. No traffic, no long commute.
That's right. But sometimes I miss talking to my colleagues.
I understand. It's important to stay connected with people.
What kind of work do you do, Anna?
I'm a teacher. I help people learn English, just like now.
That's a great job. You must enjoy helping others.
I really do. It makes me happy when students improve.
I work in technology. I fix problems with computers and software.
Useful skills. We all need technology in our lives now.
Yes, and it's always changing. I have to keep learning.
I'm a little hungry right now. Let's talk about food.
Great idea. What is your favorite food, Anna?
I love pasta. It's easy to make and so tasty.
I prefer rice. I can eat rice with almost anything.
Do you cook at home or eat at restaurants?
I cook at home most days. It's cheaper and healthier.
I agree, but I enjoy going to a restaurant on weekends.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, there's a small Italian place near my house. It's wonderful.
What do you usually drink with your meals?
I drink water or juice. I try to avoid too much sugar.
That's healthy. I drink tea after dinner. It helps me relax.
Mike, do you like shopping?
Honestly, not very much. I prefer to shop online.
Why do you prefer online shopping?
It's faster and I can compare prices easily.
I understand, but I like to touch and see things before I buy them.
That makes sense, especially for clothes.
Let's practice some shopping phrases. Imagine you are in a shop.
Excuse me, how much does this cost?
Do you have this in a different size?
Can I pay by card, please?
These are very useful phrases for any shop or market.
Practice them and you will feel much more confident.
What do you do in your free time, Mike?
I love reading. I read a book almost every week.
That's great for your vocabulary, too.
Yes, I learn new words every time I read. What about you?
I enjoy hiking. I go to the mountains or parks on weekends.
That sounds refreshing. Nature is very relaxing.
It really is. I also like painting. It helps me think clearly.
Wow, you have many hobbies. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis on Tuesday evenings.
I like music. I play the guitar a little. Not very well, but it's fun.
That's the spirit. It's okay to be a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere.
Do you like to travel, Anna?
I love it. Traveling is one of the best ways to learn about the world.
Where have you been?
I visited France, Spain, and Japan. Each place was amazing.
Which country did you like the most?
Japan. The food, the people, and the culture were all incredible.
I want to go to Japan someday. It's on my travel list.
You should go. I think you would love it.
Let's learn some useful travel phrases right now.
Where's the nearest train station?
How long does it take to get to the city center?
Can you recommend a good hotel near here?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Let's talk about learning English. Mike, what's your best tip?
Practice a little bit every day. Even 10 minutes makes a big difference.
That's so true. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster.
Try to speak English whenever you can, with friends, at work, anywhere.
Watch English films and shows. Listen to podcasts like this one.
Write new words in a notebook. Review them every few days.
And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this.
We're almost at the end of today's episode.
Time flies when you're learning English, right?
We talked about daily life, food, shopping, hobbies, and travel today.
All topics you will use in real English conversations every day.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Start Speak English.
New episodes every week. Don't miss them. See you next time, everyone.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and speak English with confidence. Bye.